Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix PolyBuzz app not working problem. So there might be various reasons why your PolyBuzz application is not working. The first thing that you can do is simply make sure you're connected to a stable network connection. Your application might not be working because your internet connection is not stable. So in that case, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. If your application is still not working, it might be because your application is not updated. In that case, you'll have to update the application. So what you have to do is simply open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply search for PolyBuzz application. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Tap on the application PolyBuzz. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here: uninstall, update. Tap on the option update. Now wait for a while and your application will be updated. Now after a while, you can see over here your application will be updated. Now your problem should be solved. But if your application is still not working, it might be because of the cache. In that case, you'll have to clear the cache of the application. For that, what you have to do is open the app library on your device, find the application for PolyBuzz and long press on it. Now tap on the option App Info. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of PolyBuzz application. You'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here: clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache. Now the cache of your application will be cleared. Now your application should start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. Sometimes the problem might be with your device. So simple restart can actually solve your problem. So what you have to do is long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted and your problem will be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the PolyBuzz application and install it again. Simply tap on the option uninstall and your application will be uninstalled, and install the application from the Play Store again. After that, try opening the application and your application will start working. So that is how you fix PolyBuzz app not working problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.